Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we would learn how can we create a PDF in Microsoft Excel. So to do this, we have a simple project here. Okay. So to convert the project in PDF, just click on File and here an option called Export. Just click on that, followed by this Create PDF, which is in here Create PDF XPS document. When you click on that, this box will appear where you can rename the file. Okay, so I'll just enter 123 and publish. Now as you can see, that file is converted into PDF. You can share or you can save this data. So that's all for today. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.